So take white cardstock, measure over 7 and cut it. Put this piece in your reserve pile. On this side, measure over 7 and 3/4 and cut it. Now we are going to score lines for our fold out. So measure over 7 and 1/4. Actually, let me see. Okay, measure over 7 and 1/4 and score a line. Again, measure over 7 and score one more line. Okay. Those who are not going to use a punch, you just stop at this point. I will tell you how to put our piece on this page. So this is like 7 by 7 inch square. I'll go ahead and use my punch. Now we are going to make a belly band over here, and for that I am using my handmade crochet lace, or you can use any crochet lace you have. So this crochet lace is let me see the size. Let me check the size. It's 3 inches wide. So let's see how it fits. Okay. So I want these 2 pieces to show in front. So let's see. I will cut them accordingly. Okay. So I'm going to stick it on these 2 edges on back side. And just make sure that they are in a straight line. So where is my tacky glue? Okay. Just okay, and I think I will put this lace as well on top. It will look really pretty over here. Okay, this is what I have. Isn't it looking so pretty? I love this lace overlapping on this big lace. It's looking very pretty. I think I will put little glue here as well. Maybe at a time when I put it on this white cardstock, it will be okay at that time. Now we are going to stick this fold out on our main cardstock, and then I'll lay this over here. So again, we will put glue on this side, making sure that that glue is not getting on this core line. And then we'll put this piece over here on the top. Okay, so in your reserve pile you will find this space which is left over from this the one which we use for our front fold out. So if you don't have this strip over here, that is fine, and if you have it, you will need to cut 6 by 1/8. Okay. And it will go over here like this. So as I said, if you don't have this strip, that is fine, you can just cover it with some lace or some other design paper strip, but the lace will look more better. So just if it is leaving more space over here, just put the lace over here. And those who don't have this punch edge, they are going to cut a piece that is 6 by 7/8 and 6 by 7/8. Okay. So this is 6 by 7/8, and on this side it is 6 by 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mount this piece on the inside of the flap. Again, just make sure that you are leaving proper border from all sides. Okay. Now again I am going to use my handmade crochet lace. This is the one. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it across like this, from here and here, in the form of V shape. Let me cut this extra thread. so it will go like this, like a cut here. Another cut here. I'm just trying to find the center. Let's see. 7. This is 7, right? Around here. I'm just trying to find center so that it will get placed evenly on both sides. And just put it on one side. Stick the piece. So depending upon type of lace you are using, you will need to move this. It may vary a little bit, the placement, but just make sure that we are going to put them in the form of V shape. And don't stick it in between, just on the on two corners, because we are going to tuck in photo mats between this between this gap. So let it dry. Okay. So once it gets dry, it will be sturdy, and we can, and this will hold photo mats here. Now we are going to place a sentiment on our base mat. So let's see what we can select. So I think I like this sweet moments, and it will go very well as a contrast. So I'll just go ahead and cut this. And again we are going to create a white background for this, and I just saw this. Okay, and you in your razor pile you will find this white piece, like piece of cardstock. So just go ahead and place your sentiment on that white cardstock. This is how it is going to be, and let's see. Okay, I will put it like this so that it will show little bit this word moments here. Okay, And the way I'm going to stick this is I'm just going to put glue on over here on just one edge, like the bottom edge over here, and just stick it in the center. Okay. So that way this piece will hold more photo mats, or if you want you can just place a big size picture over here. So this is how our page what is number 5 is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll proceed to page number 6.